Well. So we got another one here for you. What do y'all think? You think this one should have been junked? 1979 Camaro. Second gen, man. Second gen F-body. And it looks like they were trying to sell it. And they had no takers at $16.99. Was she worth it? Was she worth it? I don't know. I'm not keen on my Camaros, so anyhow, I thought it'd be cool to get a video on this one, you know. Able to get out here early in the morning before anybody touched it. Take a quick look around it. She got damage, and that door doesn't want to close. Front end, you can see the crack there. Got some cracks on the bottom down there. Yeah, this would need some work. Oh, the mud. Like that mud. Yeah. But overall, it looks fairly straight, man. You know? I don't think she's really all that rusty, but then again, I haven't really looked underneath. It's got a little oil cannon right there. AFX. I like these wheels. She had a full set of them, man. 15-inch too. Like I said, man, from this angle, looks pretty darn good. Look at that. Shoot. Busted tail light here. Next spoiler looks alright. Or wing, as some would call it. Bumpers got some issues. I don't know what color was she originally, like a red or something like that. That's what I can see over there. She got some goodies, man. Some goodies come with this car. Let's take a look inside real quick. Come on, let's see it. Yeah, it sucks. I can't really see nothing there, or really there. She's got maybe these were replacements. Maybe those are the originals. She's got two sets of two pairs of these front seats, front buckets. But actually, that's got a different fabric, cloth, and vinyl. That's all vinyl. Man, can I sit in this thing? Can this damn seat go back a little? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's not tilt. Should have tilt steering wheel. Here we go. Berlinetta. Yeah, sorry about the sun, man. Let's see what that mileage says on there. 0-99 right there. 99399. Yeah, you can tell, man, it's been sitting for a minute. Oh yeah, like a lot of them. Windshield's busted. I think all the rest of the glass is good though. Yeah, this one's still in there. Yeah. Yep. Got your. What we got here? What brand is that? Auto gauge. Yeah. I think I see. I can see the ground down there. I see some light. So oh no, I can't. That's not rust. The plate that goes there. I took it off. I see the control panel. It's automatic. We got here a know. Yeah. This seat looks to be okay, but I can't really tell. I haven't opened that door. And now how to get out. Okay. This is fine. Yeah. Sucks. Keys in it. She ain't gonna start though. Battery's dead. Or no battery. One of the two. Dang it, that sucks. Anyways. Yeah, nothing I can see down there. Oh, they put a patch on there, you could tell. Yeah. Yep. This side. Oh, wait, what I see back here? Socket. Cheapy though. For sure. Come on, come on. Take a look on the okay, she's open. Alright, what we got in here? What we got here? Odometer. Fuel level gauge, huh? Pro Comp Ultralight. I don't know, are these things made in US, man? I don't know. At least they don't say. It's like another abandoned project. You can see. Wiring, more wiring. Yeah. And they had it in the little baggies. You know, those Ziploc bags. Armrests. Sun visors, duct work, ashtray, and a spider. Is that thing alive? Oh yeah, she's alive. Oh yeah. Gotta be careful, man. Gotta be careful here. She living in a dirt dauber deal there. Odometer. That says made in USA. Looks new. Maybe, I don't know. Set that to the side here. That thing's brand new. It's full anyways. Pieces. Dome light, that dome light. Gauges. Gauge cluster. Bezel. Yeah. And in the bag. Oh man, gotta have the blue, that blue wire loom. And I see some wiring. I don't know what this one's for. Wiring this. But also, got the original, looks like the original jack, the base. Oh, there's screwdrivers. What brand is that? Don't say. But she nasty. And that one doesn't say either. Ugh, it's close to a freaking rodent's nest, you can tell. Oops. Gotta be careful with that, Mr. Or Charlotte there. I don't want to get bit by her. Anyways, there it is, man. What's under the hood? Some goodies under there. Let's check out under the hood there. I mean, this is in the trunk. Sorry, this was in the trunk. Now check out the hood. see what I can see here. I can't really tell anything. I think that's an 8.5 rear. Looks like it. Yeah, I don't know, but looks like it's got regular exhaust. I mean, single. Looking nothing fancy. Take a look under the hood. Like I said, man, I don't know these damn freaking Camaros like that, but this freaking is way down here, man. I'm gonna have to set you down for a second. Uh-oh. There goes my... Oh, come on, come on. I hate doing that. Hey. Oh, come on. Maybe she won't go. Crap. Oh. Where's my... Oh. Stuck in this damn mud. Where's my freaking screwdriver at? What did I do with mine? Damn it. I might have to use this one. I just have to use this one. Thought I set my screwdriver down. I don't know what I did with it. Oh crap, come on. Oh, shit. Give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can do this. Crap. Son of a G's. Hold on. There she is. Sorry about that. My bad. Sometimes, man, these cars are ridiculously hard to open sometimes, especially by hand. Freaking handles down there, way down there, man. Damn thing doesn't work. But this is what we got. I see the Edelbrock sticker there, but Edelbrock air cleaner. 2-barrel Rochester carb, regular, I mean original exhaust. It says here's the engine. It says it's 5.0, 305, 1979. So I think they busted the AC unit. Chrome valve covers. Yeah. That tag over here, let's see if I can. I know this helps decipher. There we go. All right, man. So there she is. There she is. Hold on, man. I made this video a little too long, man. I try to keep them around 10 freaking minutes or so, but there she is. Scoot back a little. Oh, this is fun. Oh, crap. Yep. Another second gen F body. Gone, man. She's gonna be crushed. You know, in a little bit. Maybe not right away, but yeah, she'll be gone in a little bit. Yeah. You know. Alright, man. On to the next one.